Are you ready to expand your general knowledge? Check out our YouTube channel Pratim GK Facts for awesome videos on a wide range of topics. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. So let's start. What is the full form of MRI? The answer is magnetic resonance imaging. What is the full form of CT scan? The answer is computed tomography scan. What is the full form of ECG? The answer is electrocardiogram. What is the full form of EEG? The answer is electroencephalogram. What is the full form of ICU? The answer is intensive care unit. What is the full form of ER? The answer is emergency room. What is the full form of AIDS? The answer is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What is the full form of HIV? The answer is human immunodeficiency virus. What is the full form of DNA? The answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the full form of RNA? The answer is ribonucleic acid. What is the full form of BMI? The answer is body mass index. What is the full form of CPR? The answer is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What is the full form of PPE? The answer is personal protective equipment. What is the full form of IV? The answer is intravenous. What is the full form of FDA? The answer is Food and Drug Administration. What is the full form of WHO? The answer is World Health Organization. What is the full form of NIH? The answer is National Institutes of Health. What is the full form of IBD? The answer is Inflammatory Bowel Disease. What is the full form of CDC? The answer is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. What is the full form of ESR? The answer is erythrocyte sedimentation rate. What is the full form of HIPAA? The answer is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. What is the full form of NSTEMI? The answer is non-ST elevation myocardial infarction. What is the full form of STMI? The answer is ST elevation myocardial infarction. What is the full form of CRP? The answer is C-reactive protein. What is the full form of CABG? The answer is coronary artery bypass graft. What is the full form of GERD? The answer is gastroesophageal reflux disease. What is the full form of UTI? The answer is urinary tract infection. What is the full form of PSA? The answer is prostate specific antigen. What is the full form of ADHD? The answer is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. What is the full form of PTSD? The answer is post-traumatic stress disorder. What is the full form of COPD? The answer is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. What is the full form of TIA? The answer is transient ischemic attack. What is the full form of DVT? The answer is deep vein thrombosis. What is the full form of PE? The answer is pulmonary embolism. What is the full form of SIDS? The answer is hardened infant death syndrome. What is the full form of NPO? The answer is nothing by mouth. What is the full form of DNR? The answer is do not resuscitate. What is the full form of PPD? The answer is purified protein derivative. What is the full form of PFT? The answer is pulmonary function test. What is the full form of NICU? The answer is neonatal intensive care unit. What is the full form of CPAP? The answer is continuous positive airway pressure. What is the full form of BPD? The answer is borderline personality disorder. What is the full form of OCD? The answer is obsessive compulsive disorder. What is the full form of CVA? The answer is cerebrovascular accident. What is the full form of MI? The answer is myocardial infarction. What is the full form of HDL? The answer is high density lipoprotein. What is the full form of ARDS? The answer is acute respiratory distress syndrome. What is the full form of CBC? The answer is complete blood count. What is the full form of IBS? The answer is irritable bowel syndrome. What is the full form of SLE? The answer is systemic lupus erythematosus. What is the full form of BUN? The answer is blood urea nitrogen. What is the full form of PMS? The answer is premenstrual syndrome. What is the full form of IUD? The answer is intrauterine device. What is the full form of HRT? The answer is hormone replacement therapy. What is the full form of IVF? The answer is in vitro fertilization. What is the full form of PAP? The answer is Papa Nicolau. What is the full form of PET? The answer is positron emission tomography. What is the full form of RBC? The answer is red blood cell. What is the full form of WBC? The answer is white blood cell. What is the full form of GFR? The answer is glomerular filtration rate. What is the full form of HbA1c? The answer is hemoglobin A1c. What is the full form of ACL? The answer is anterior cruciate ligament. What is the full form of POTS? The answer is postural orthostatic tachycardial syndrome. What is the full form of TENS? The answer is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. What is the full form of DEXA? The answer is dual energy X-ray absorptiometry. What is the full form of HSV? The answer is herpes simplex virus. What is the full form of TSH? The answer is thyroid stimulating hormone. What is the full form of BPH? The answer is benign prostatic hyperplasia. What is the full form of PEP? The answer is post-exposure prophylaxis. What is the full form of ICP? The answer is intracranial pressure. What is the full form of REM? The answer is rapid eye movement. What is the full form of CAB? The answer is coronary artery bypass. What is the full form of VSD? The answer is ventricular septal defect. What is the full form of TBI? The answer is traumatic brain injury. What is the full form of ASD? The answer is atrial septal defect. What is the full form of COP? The answer is chronic otitis media. What is the full form of GER? The answer is gastroesophageal reflux. What is the full form of FSH? The answer is follicle stimulating hormone. What is the full form of LH? The answer is luteinizing hormone. What is the full form of IVC? The answer is inferior vena cava. What is the full form of PTH? The answer is parathyroid hormone. What is the full form of PET-CT? The answer is positron emission tomography, computed tomography. What is the full form of SPECT? The answer is single photon emission, computed tomography. What is the full form of PEEP? The answer is positive and expiratory pressure. What is the full form of LEEP? The answer is loop electrosurgical excision procedure. What is the full form of PVC? The answer is premature ventricular contraction. What is the full form of CKD? The answer is chronic kidney disease. What is the full form of CVD? The answer is cardiovascular disease. What is the full form of GDM? The answer is gestational diabetes mellitus. What is the full form of PTA? The answer is patent ductus arteriosus. What is the full form of AED? The answer is automated external defibrillator. What is the full form of PPI? The answer is proton pump inhibitor.